Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are diving into the enchanting world of traditional fashion with the ever-gorgeous Srinidhi Shetty. From saris to lehengas, her style choices reflect a perfect blend of elegance and contemporary flair. Let's explore her mesmerizing traditional looks. Srinidhi Shetty, the stunning Indian actress and model, has captivated audiences not only with her acting prowess but also with her impeccable fashion sense, especially in traditional wear. Her sartorial choices in ethnic attire are a harmonious blend of elegance, cultural richness, and contemporary style. Often seen draped in opulent saris, the actress effortlessly channels classic beauty and modern grace. She favors silk saris that exude timeless charm, adorned with intricate zari work and vivid hues that reflect her vibrant persona. Her choice of blouses, whether they feature elaborate embroidery or subtle designs, complements the saris perfectly, adding a touch of sophistication and flair. In lehengas, she leans towards pieces that are both regal and trendy, opting for luxurious fabrics like velvet or raw silk, often embellished with detailed embroidery or mirror work that adds a royal touch. Accessorizing with traditional jewelry, such as statement jhumkas, ornate chokers, and maan tikka, the beauty enhances her outfits, creating a look that's both rooted in tradition and elevated in style. Her hairstyles, ranging from sleek buns to soft curls, often adorned with gajras, complete her ensemble, emphasizing her cultural heritage while maintaining a modern appeal. Whether gracing a red carpet event or attending a cultural festivity, her traditional fashion choices reflect her keen eye for detail and her ability to seamlessly blend the old with the new, making her a true icon in the realm of ethnic fashion. The actress often gravitates towards saris that celebrate India's diverse weaving traditions. She has been spotted in Kanjivaram saris, renowned for their intricate gold and silver zari work and vibrant colors. These saris, often worn during significant events and festivals, exemplify her love for classic opulence. She also dons Banarasi saris, which are famed for their luxurious texture and elaborate brocade work. These saris, with their rich silk and detailed patterns, underscore her affinity for regal elegance. The actress has embraced lighter, modern fabrics like georgette or chiffon, adorned with minimalist embroidery or sequins, suitable for a more understated yet elegant look. Her choices often highlight her ability to balance tradition and modernity. She favors lehengas with a rich color palette, from deep, royal blues and maroons to bright, festive reds and pinks. The intricate detailing on her lehengas often includes a mix of Zardozi work, mirror embellishments, and elaborate thread embroidery, which reflect meticulous craftsmanship. Srinidhi's blouse choices are equally noteworthy. She experiments with a range of styles, from the classic choli with traditional motifs to more contemporary cuts with unique bag designs and embellishments, showcasing her versatility. Her dupattas, whether draped elegantly over the shoulder or styled in a modern, flowing manner, add the final touch of grace to her lehenga ensembles. Her collection of anarkalis and salwar suits is another testament to her refined taste in traditional wear. She often opts for floor-length anarkalis that combine the grandeur of Mughal-era fashion with modern silhouettes, featuring intricate embroidery, beadwork, and sequins. These pieces often come in luxurious fabrics like silk and velvet, enhancing their opulent appeal. Her salwar suits, ranging from classic Patiala styles to sleek, tailored churidars, are usually adorned with delicate embroidery or vibrant prints, making them perfect for both formal occasions and casual gatherings. Her choice of accessories plays a pivotal role in accentuating her traditional outfits. She has a penchant for traditional South Indian jewelry, often seen in temple jewelry sets that include heavy necklaces, jhumkas, and bangles, crafted in antique gold finishes. Her love for statement earrings is evident, as she often pairs her saris and lehengas with oversized jhumkas or chunbalis that draw attention to her face. The maan tikka, a quintessential Indian hair accessory, often graces her forehead, adding a royal touch to her ensemble. Her use of kama bands and anklets further enhances the traditional charm of her outfits. Srinidhi's hairstyles complement her traditional attire beautifully. She frequently opts for classic Indian hairstyles, such as intricate braids adorned with flowers or sleek, low buns decorated with gajras. These hairstyles not only enhance her overall look but also pay homage to traditional Indian bridal styles. Her makeup is usually kept elegant and subtle, with a focus on highlighting her eyes with kohl and soft, nude lips, allowing her natural beauty to shine through. For more festive occasions, she might opt for bolder lip colors or a hint of shimmer, adding a touch of glamour to her traditional look. The actress frequently showcases the elegance of South Indian traditional wear. She often appears in beautifully crafted Kanjivaram and Mysore silk saris, paired with traditional gold jewelry that includes heavy neck pieces, layered harams, and delicate vanki. The rich drapes and vibrant colors of these saris, combined with traditional motifs like peacocks and temple borders, celebrate the opulence of South Indian heritage. The beauty also seamlessly transitions into North Indian attire, particularly during festive seasons and weddings. She has been seen in stunning lehengas from Rajasthan and Gujarat, which are renowned for their intricate mirror work and vibrant bandhani patterns. These lehengas, often paired with matching or contrasting dupattas, capture the essence of North Indian festivity and exuberance. The actress has embraced the understated grace of Eastern Indian fashion, often donning Bengali handloom saris like the traditional Baluchari and Jamdani. These saris, known for their elaborate motifs and fine weaving, reflect her ability to appreciate and promote the subtlety and intricacy of Indian handlooms. From the western region, the actress incorporates the luxurious Pathani saris of Maharashtra into her wardrobe. These saris are distinguished by their intricate pallu designs and rich, contrasting borders. Her styling often includes pairing these saris with traditional Maharashtrian jewelry, such as the Nath and the Bagdi, adding an authentic touch to her ensembles. She experiments with contemporary blouse designs, opting for off-shoulder cuts, asymmetrical patterns, or even capes, which add a modern twist to her sari looks. These choices highlight her ability to innovate while maintaining the traditional essence of the sari. Her fusion lehengas often feature unconventional cuts and styles, such as lehenga skirts paired with crop tops or jackets, allowing for a fresh take on traditional attire. These outfits are perfect for events where she wants to blend the grace of Indian fashion with the edginess of modern design. The actress also ventures into outfits like dhoti pants paired with kurtas or anarkalis, which offer a contemporary twist on classic Indian wear. These ensembles, with their unique drapes and silhouettes, reflect her willingness to experiment while staying true to her roots. She exhibits a preference for rich, deep colors like royal blue, emerald green, and burgundy, which enhance her regal aura. However, she is equally comfortable in pastel shades and neutral tones, which she wears with an effortless elegance. Her ability to switch between bold, vibrant hues and soft, understated colors showcases her versatility and understanding of how different shades can convey various moods and occasions. Her selection often depends on the occasion, with heavier, more opulent fabrics reserved for grand events, and lighter, breezier materials chosen for more casual or daytime functions. This thoughtful approach ensures that her attire is always appropriate for the setting while highlighting her refined taste. Whether it's the delicate zari work on her saris or the detailed embroidery on her lehengas, Srinidhi has a penchant for intricate embellishments that add depth and richness to her outfits. These details not only enhance the visual appeal of her attire but also showcase the craftsmanship and artistry that go into creating each piece. She often opts for traditional jewelry. Her style is not just about heavy ornamentation. She sometimes chooses minimalist pieces that make a subtle yet impactful statement. For instance, a single piece of statement jewelry, like an ornate choker or a pair of large earrings, can be enough to elevate her entire look. Her fashion philosophy often revolves around the idea that simplicity can be the ultimate form of sophistication. This is evident in her ability to make even the simplest sari or salwar kameez look extraordinarily elegant through her poised demeanor and impeccable styling. The actress plays a significant role in promoting and preserving Indian textile arts. Her public appearances in such outfits bring much-needed attention to the craftsmanship of Indian weavers and artisans, highlighting the importance of supporting sustainable and culturally rich fashion practices. Her fashion sense inspires many, especially young women who look up to her as a style icon. Her ability to wear traditional clothes with such grace and confidence encourages others to embrace their cultural heritage and incorporate traditional elements into their own fashion choices. Srinidhi Shetty's traditional fashion choices are a beautiful blend of timeless elegance and modern flair. Her impeccable style continues to inspire fashion enthusiasts everywhere. Which of her looks is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.